Hey Crazy Crafters, welcome back to Crazy Craft Creations. Today I'm showing you how to make a beautiful DIY decoupage sign using Mod Podge, scrapbook paper, and a few simple supplies. Whether you're new to crafting or just love a good weekend project, this one's for you. Start with a smooth, clean wood round. Place your paper over the wood to measure and trim it to size. You can go edge to edge or leave a little border depending on your style. Brush a thin, even layer of Mod Podge directly onto the wood. Don't use too much, just enough to coat the surface. Carefully place your paper on the sign and press it down from the center outward to smooth out any bubbles. An old gift card works great for this. By the way, do I have any other lefties watching? Drop a comment if you're also a lefty. While our first wood round is drying, let's work on the smaller wood piece, using the same technique. We're raising funds with Kiva very soon to grow Crazy Craft Creations. Contributions will help us buy equipment, create our initial DIY kits, and expand our reach so more people can enjoy fun and easy crafting. Your support means everything. If you want a rustic or blended look, gently sand around the edges once everything's dry. Alternatively, you can take any excess and smooth them down the sides. Once it's dry to the touch, about 15 to 20 minutes, apply another layer of Mod Podge on top to seal it in. This gives it a nice finished look and helps protect the surface. Add any extra accents your heart desires, and that's it, a custom decoupage sign perfect for your home or a gift. Let me know in the comments what design you'd use. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. You can also shop for handmade home accents at crazycraftcreations.com. Join our email list and be on the lookout for our DIY home decor kits coming soon. Happy crafting and see you next time!